Good morning, Vietnamese manufacturing fans. Join me today as I go out and visit 3 restaurants that I recommend to my clients based on my 15 years of experience living and working here in Vietnam. When it comes to restaurants, there's one restaurant that I highly recommend in Vietnam. It's actually a chocolate factory, and it's right below this Spanish restaurant, Tomatito. But the real star of the show is Maison Marou, which is an authentic single source chocolate factory in Vietnam. And they have one healthy meal, which is quiche with salad. Everything else is just delicious variations of chocolate. They roast their cacao beans, which they buy from the center highlands of Vietnam. Here you can see the map of the highlands. You have Dak Lak, Lam Dong, Dam Nai, Ba Ria, and Saigon, Tinh Giang, and Ben Che. And they buy cacao beans from the different regions and then turn it into a variety of chocolate products, which is one of Vietnam's famous chocolate brands. We're in District 2, Thao Ding of Ho Chi Minh City, and we're gonna go to the Quan Bui Garden restaurant. It's one of my favorites. So this is the outside. And then there's also an inside where they have aircon. What I like the most about the restaurant is that they have great pictures in the menu, so it's easier to choose by looking at all the pictures. So we're at the Hum restaurant, which is vegetarian and very Vietnamese, with beautiful inside decor and awesome atmosphere. And there are several Hum restaurants all around the city. This is just their flagship in District 3. Come on inside.